Hello friends, in this video I am showing you step-by-step guide to get India's emergency visa. When we hear something from India and we need to travel on an urgent basis, we are quite anxious and not sure what to do. So in this video I am going to help you so that you can get visa as early as one day. Overall, it's a 8-step process which can be completed in one day. Step 1 is to call consulate and explain your needs. In order to do that, first we need to know what consulate general you should be applying to based on where you live. If you're not sure, you can always Google it. You can always visit the CGI website and find out what is your closest CGI office. You can search CGI office for Alabama, for example. Now, you can also locate the numbers using Atlanta Consulate General of India, CGI Atlanta contact numbers, emergency contact numbers, and you can get a contact number. If you are in a real hurry, you can of course use the emergency number, especially if it is weekend or evening. However, if it is not, then you can use a regular visa number. After you have found the number, talk to the person, explain your emergency needs and timeline, and also note down name of the person as you may need to call the same person again. Note down all the steps required from the person, including the fees amount. Also ask for the websites, email addresses, etc. Normally they can send that information via text as well. This is where I Google the contact number for Atlanta. On the contacts us page, you can see various numbers. There is a regular visa services number and there is an emergency number at the bottom of the page. So once you get it and talk to the person, the second step is to complete online application. To complete online application, you will get a link from the person, but here is a direct link. And in addition to that, you will also need to download and complete additional particular forms. In order to complete the application, you will need information such as your current passport, which should be valid for at least 6 months, address proof, certification of renunciation of Indian citizenship or Indian passport with cancel stamp. And this is something nice to have in case of real emergency. Sometimes you may not have a documentation and they can accommodate that, but that's something nice to have. So try to get a letter from the folks in India and use it with your application. This is the website to apply, and don't look for anything like emergency. It's a regular paper visa. So this is the link. For that, click on that and it will take you to the page where you need to complete the information. Once you have completed all the details, then you need to select the visa type. This is entry visa, and the purpose is the top one, that's a person of Indian origin, family, spouse visiting. Now step 3 is to send the copies of required documents via email to consulate, so they already have the information. So what to send? The visa application form you just completed. So take a printout of that. Complete additional particular forms. Include front page of current passport, so copy of a driver's license or any other address proof, the copy of your renunciation of Indian citizenship or copy of Indian passport, and copy of last held Indian passport front and last pages. And of course, if you have an emergency letter, an emergency letter. Once it is done, and if it is an appropriate time, like not too late at night, call the same person, at same number, same person, and ask for an appointment. In most cases, they give an appointment on the weekend as well. Ask for a time. Normally, they would ask, okay, where do you live? Right. So if you live in a close by area, they would be more enthusiastic to come and help you. So if you are living in another city, just travel to the city, stay in a hotel, and do this. And don't forget to ask for the exact amount, because depending on the situation, the exact amount would be different. Also, the number of money orders could vary. Different fees goes to different departments. So do that. I would also advise, in case of doubts, go for more money orders of varying amounts. You can always cash it back. Just commission is what you will lose. Now, if you have completely forgotten it, there is a workaround. There are nearby areas where you can go and get money order. However, it would upset the person, as the person has to wait, especially over the weekend for you. So get it ready. You need to make photocopies of all the documents we have submitted online. Take photocopies and originals, right? Reach to the consulate on time. On the weekend, it might be closed when you reach, because they are just serving you, right? So just call the emergency number and the person should come, hand over all the documents. If everything is okay, you will get visa right there. If everything is okay with your paperwork, you will get visa right there. Congratulations.